How to make photos come alive. Deep nostalgia made still photos into animation. And this is an example of my son when he was little. You can see how it's come alive. It's really an amazing technology. Look at that. Isn't that something? Still photos come alive. An AI-powered provider called Deep Nostalgia that animates still pictures as people attempt to create the flocked video variable apparently. The Deep Nostalgia carrier provided by using an online genealogy company, myheritage.com, makes use of AI certified from DIDI to create the impact that a netherless image is animated. It's kind of just like the iOS live photo characteristic, which adds a few seconds of video to help cell phone photographers discover the nice shot. But deep nostalgia shots come from my camera. But deep nostalgia can take snapshots from any camera and convey them to life. The software makes use of pre-recorded motive force motion pictures of actual actions and applies them to the one that works fine for the still image in question. I'll do this again for you. Look how that works. It's intended for reason to let you add pictures of deceased loved ones and notice them in action, which looks as if a cute idea. Users have to sign up for a free account on MyHeritage and then upload a photo. From there, the process is automated. The site enhances the image before animating it and creating a GIF. The site's frequently asked questions says it does not provide the photos to any third parties, and it's on the main page. Message reads, photos uploaded without competing, sign up, or automatically deleted to protect your privacy. Take a picture of that again. Look how she moves around. That's a picture from the 40s. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Animated faces. Deep Nostalgia can most effectively handle single headshots and might handily animate faces so that you now not going for you to reanimate headshots. It's okay. You can add 5 pictures for free to MyHeritage internet site for deep nostalgia treatment. After that, you need to sign in for a paid account. Possibly there are a few snapshots left unanimated. I'm weary of importing pictures to any web page, and I suppose the usual privacy cautions still practice. But in case you're going to drive deep nostalgia, brace yourself for a surreal reveal in. The AI is scary excellent. Here's a single picture on the left and the AI on the right. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Would you believe that's come from a single picture? Yeah, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Confused about Medicare? What's Part A? What's Part B? What's Part D? What's Part C? What are the Medicare penalties? What are the Medicare deadlines? Go to our free daily Medicare educational webinar and get all your answers to what you need to know. Go to seniorhealthcorp.com and register to get on the webinar. See you there. My name is Bill Vargas. I'm an independent Medicare agent. I've been in the business a very long time. I'm a senior like you, and I specialize in serving the health needs of seniors and veterans. So go to our website, Senior Health Corp, and register for our free seminar, or give us a call at 1-888-200-2040. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you take advantage of this opportunity to have your old photos come to life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share. Like us on Facebook at Facebook/Senior Health Corp. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.